In this problem, we're going to sketch the graph of an equation by plotting points. We'd like to graph y equals x squared minus 9 by plotting points. We're going to do this by creating a table of values. In our table, we'll need a column for x. We'll need another column for y. We'll write y equals x squared minus 9. Then we're going to make a third column where we'll write our ordered pair, or the point that we're going to plot. So we'll pick some different values for x. Start with x equals negative 4. If we plug that in, y is negative 4 squared minus 9, which is 16 minus 9, or 7. The corresponding point then will be negative 4, 7. If we let x equal negative 2, y is negative 2 squared minus 9, or 4 minus 9, which is negative 5. So the corresponding point is negative 2, negative 5. Let x equal 0. Y equals 0 squared minus 9, or 0 minus 9, which is negative 9. The corresponding point is 0, negative 9. Let x equal 2. Y equals 2 squared minus 9. Again, we get 4 minus 9, which is negative 5. The point 2, comma, negative 5. We'll do one more. We'll let x equal 4. Y is equal to 4 squared minus 9, or 16 minus 9, which is 7. So we get the point 4, comma, 7. Now that we've created a table of values, our next step is to plot the points that we found and connect the points with a smooth curve. Here we have our grid where we're going to plot our points. I want to first point out our scale. Along the x-axis, we're using a scale of 1, so each tick mark represents 1 unit. But along the y-axis, we're using a scale of 2, so each tick mark represents 2 units. The first point we're going to plot was negative 4, 7. So we'll go to negative 4 and up 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. So that's the point negative 4, 7. Second point was negative 2, negative 5. So negative 2 down to negative 5. Our third point was 0, negative 9. So 0, negative 9. Our fourth point was 2, negative 5. So 2 down to negative 5. 2, negative 5. And then the last point was 4, 7. So go over to 4, up 7. We have the point 4, 7. The last thing to do would be to connect these points with a smooth curve and then indicate that the graph continues on. If we do that, our final graph will look like this. Notice we have our 5 points plotted. We've connected the points with a smooth curve, and we've indicated that the graph continues upward.